Welcome to Explain the Charts. Today, October 21st, we're diving deep into Intel Corporation stock. Recent news suggests Intel is exploring a potential sale of its Altera chip unit for a hefty $17 billion, which has injected some optimism into the stock. However, the chip sector has been under pressure following a bearish outlook from ASML, a key supplier of chip-making equipment. Intel struggles to turn a profit, and its foundry division's losses add to the uncertainty. Let's analyze the technical charts to see what they reveal about INTC's future trajectory and how these recent events are reflected in price action. We'll identify trends, reversals, support and resistance levels, and key price levels to watch closely. Join us as we determine if Intel is poised for a bullish run or if it's a sell signal. First, let's take a look at the daily chart for Intel. Looking at the daily chart, we can see that Intel has been on a strong uptrend for the past few months. The stock has broken above key resistance levels around $35 and $38. The recent news regarding the potential sale of Altera seems to have solidified this bullish sentiment. However, we need to be aware of the broader market conditions. The chip sector, in general, has been experiencing some weakness. ASML's downbeat forecast for 2025 is a cause for concern, as it could impact Intel's foundry operations. With that in mind, let's zoom in on the 1-hour chart to see if there are any short-term signals. The 1-hour chart provides a more detailed view of the recent price action. We can see that Intel has been consolidating in a range between $22 and $23 for the past week. This consolidation could be a sign of indecision among traders trying to gauge the impact of the news. The recent price action is testing the lower end of the range, but a break above $23 could trigger a more significant rally. However, a break below $22 could signal a short-term pullback. To gain even more clarity on the short-term trend, let's take a look at the 15-minute chart. The 15-minute chart offers an even closer look at the intraday price action. We can see that Intel has been bouncing between support around $22.40 and resistance around $22.60. The price is currently trading near the support level, and a break below this level could trigger a further decline. However, a break above the resistance level could indicate a short-term bullish breakout. It's important to watch the volume carefully on this time frame, as it can provide valuable insights into the strength of the move. For example, high volume on a breakout above resistance would be a bullish signal. Conversely, high volume on a breakdown below support would be a bearish signal. Now, let's recap the key price levels to watch for Intel. On the daily chart, the key support level is around $22. A break below this level could trigger a more significant sell-off. The key resistance level on the daily chart is $23. A break above this level could signal a continuation of the uptrend. On the 1-hour chart, the support level is around $22. A break below this level could signal a short-term pullback. The resistance level on the 1-hour chart is $23. A break above this level could trigger a more significant rally. On the 15-minute chart, the support level is around $22.40. A break below this level could trigger a further decline. The resistance level on the 15-minute chart is $22.60. A break above this level could indicate a short-term bullish breakout. In conclusion, Intel is currently in a state of uncertainty. The news about the potential Altera sale is bullish, but the broader market conditions are bearish. The price action on the charts reflects this mixed sentiment. It's important to watch the price action closely for any breaks above or below the key support and resistance levels. High volume on any breakout or breakdown would be a significant signal. In the short term, a break above $22.60 on the 15-minute chart could trigger a short-term bullish breakout. However, a break below $22.40 on the 15-minute chart could signal a further decline. In the long term, a break above $23 on the daily chart could signal a continuation of the uptrend. However, a break below $22 on the daily chart could trigger a more significant sell-off. Stay tuned for updates on INTC's price action, and always remember to manage your risk.